Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on Computer Science with Python for class 12th. In last video we have seen the introduction to file handling, and also we have seen reading the contents from a text file. In this video we will discuss writing and appending data into text files. So let us begin. First part we'll see how to write something into binary files. In the later part we'll see how to append something into a text file. So let's start with writing files. Okay, so when you open a file in write mode, then Python overwrites the previous content of the file with the new data that you are going to write. For example, suppose there is a file where something is already written. Okay, now I want to open the same file through a Python program and I want to write something new into the file. So what happens in case of writing? Python overwrites the previous content. That means when you write new data into a file, then the previous data will be automatically deleted and only the new data will reside into the file. Okay, so be careful when you are using write mode, because the previous content will going to be deleted and only the new content that we are writing now is going to be there in the file after the execution of the program. Now let us see the modes which is available. Suppose I want to write something into a text file, then the mode will be W. While opening the file we will specify the mode as W. If we are going to write something into a binary file, then we specify our file access mode as WB. Okay, because we are dealing with text files only for now, so we will concentrate on this W. Okay, of course we are having a W plus mode that we have already discussed. W plus means writing and reading also. If I want to perform both write and read in a single operation, then I can go for W plus mode. Okay, now let us see which functions are available in Python. Some predefined functions which are available in Python for our writing purpose. So there are two basic functions available. First is write, second is write lines. If you remember, in reading also there are three functions available: read, read line and read lines. Now all these are predefined functions. Python provides you these functions to the programmer so that we can do our task much easier. Okay, so the two functions available for write is write and write line. The syntax are written here. For write, the syntax will be file handle dot write string 1. That means you can write any string into the file. So file object name dot write and the string I want to write, I will specify that thing as a argument here. Okay, for write lines the syntax will be file object or file handle dot write lines and then L. Here L stands for a list. Okay, now let us see the description of both functions. For write, the description will be it writes the string 1 to the file referenced by file pointer. So the string that I am providing as an argument will be written into the file which is pointed by this file pointer. Okay, in case of write lines, it will write all the strings present in the list. By mistake I have written this is list list. So it writes all the strings present inside this list L into the file which is pointed by the file handle. Okay, so this L, the argument L we are specifying here, is actually a list which contains a set of strings as elements. So all the strings will be written into the file. Okay, now let us try and see execute both the function, then we will go to the append part. Okay, okay, now let us start. Suppose before writing, let us see our data. Okay, in the same folder that we have seen in our last video, in my H drive, there is a folder my data. Inside that we have this file abc.txt. Okay, let me open. So here I have written two lines: I love Python and it's great to learn Python. This two lines is already there, so please remember this file which is present in H drive my data folder contains two lines, I love Python and it's great to learn Python. Now we will try and write something into this file. That's why I've shown this file. Now let us go to the Python Anaconda and we'll write a program. So first, to write or read or append anything, first we need to open the file. The syntax will be some file handle equals to open. The function that is used for opening is open. It takes two arguments, as we have already discussed. The path of the file we are having in my data folder, and the file name is abc.txt, and the second argument will be the mode. Okay, here we are going to open the file in write mode, so I will specify w, not wb, because we are going to handle a text file. That's why w. If you are writing into a binary file, then you can write wb. Okay, now let me create a message that I want to write some string. Okay, let me write let's learn file handling. Okay, some string I have created. Let's learn file handling. Now I want to write this string into the file abc.txt. Okay, so the syntax of writing will be file handle, that is file1 dot write. The function that we are going to use is write, and then in argument we will write what I want to write. Now I want to write this string here. I want to write this string into the file message, so I will write here message. So I want to write this particular string into this file abc.txt. Okay, now after doing this, always close your file, file handle dot close. Okay, now see one thing that I've already said you, that when you are writing something into a file, then I'm writing that let's learn file handling. I'm writing this new string here, okay, into an existing file abc.txt. Let us again open the file. Okay, so here writing means when I'm going to write this new string let's learn Python, then the previous content of the file will be deleted. Keep in your mind this, all this previous two lines will be deleted and the new line will be written into the file. Previous content will be deleted. This is how write mode works. Okay, now let us try to do this. Let me run the program now. Let's learn file handling. I am going to execute the program. Okay, no error. Now let us go and see the same file. Previously there are two lines. Now if you see this, see, let's learn file handling. The previous content, the two lines that we have just seen, are now overwritten by the new thing that we have written into the file. So this is how write works. It deletes or overwrites the previous content to make to write the new data that we are going to write. Okay, one more thing, in write mode, suppose I'm going to write something into a file which is not there. Okay, for example, let me copy it here. Okay, so I am trying to open a file which is there in H drive my data abc.txt. Instead of abc.txt, let me write new.txt. Now if you see this folder where my data, if you see this my data folder in H drive, my data folder in H drive, there is only a single file abc.txt, but I am writing a program to open a file in H drive my data new.txt. That means this file is not actually present in this folder. Getting, this is a non-existing file. This new.txt, there is no file named as new.txt in this folder. We are having a single file abc.txt. So in this case, when you try to open a file, string one, let me give some message, good morning, something like this. Okay, Okay, when we try to open a file which is not present in the folder, then Python automatically creates a new file. That means for every non-existing file in write mode, a new file will be created automatically, and then what we are going to write will be written into the file. We will see with examples. So file1 dot write, what I want to write, I want to write this string 1 which contains good morning, and then let me close the file. Now see, I'm writing this message good morning, this string good morning, into the file new.txt. Okay, but the problem is this file is not present, this is not there, it is not already, it is not created until now. Okay, so in that case what happen, if you are writing something into a file which is not there, non-existing file, then Python automatically creates a file. So if I run execute this program, what happen, a file named as new.txt will be created now, a new file will be created, and then into that file this thing will be written, good morning will be written. Now let us see to verify that. Let me run the program. I've run this, no errors. Now go and see that folder, my data. Now see, this new.txt, a new file is created. This is not there previously. We are having a single file abc.txt. Now this file is created. Now if I open this, you can see the message good morning that we have written through the program. Getting? So two things up to now you should remember. First thing is, when we are writing something into a text file, then text or binary, anything, when you are writing something, then the previous data will be overwritten by the new data. Okay, so always you should be careful when you are writing, when you are performing some write operation into a file using write mode, because the previous data is going to be deleted for sure. Okay, and the next thing, if you are writing into a file that is not there, into a non-existing file, then Python automatically creates a file. Okay, if the file is not there, like in this case new.txt, it was not there previously, so a new file is created. Okay, so this is this kind of flexibility will get in Python only. Okay, now let us go and see some more examples on writing into a file. Okay, so here I have written in this example, in both the example I have written one some string into the file. Now let us write a program that will add, that will write some names into a text file. Suppose I want to run a loop for 5 times, in which I will ask the user to enter a name, and I will enter all the names one by one into the text file. Okay, now let us try to do this. Okay, now and suppose I want to do this with a new file which is not already there. So what we will do, file1 open, and then I will open suppose in the same folder, same drive, h drive, folder name is I think my data, and suppose I will going to create a new file student.txt. This is not there, that means student.txt, there is no such file in that folder, so a new file will be created because I am going to use w mode or write mode. Okay, and then let me set up a loop here. Suppose for I in range 5. Okay, in that loop let me ask the user to input a name, enter name of the student, something, some message I am giving to asking the user to enter a name. Okay, and then whatever name the user will enter, that will be stored in this string name. So I'm going to write this into the file. So what is the syntax? The syntax will be file handle or file object dot write, in argument the string I want to write, I want to write this name what I got from the user. Okay, so when I run this loop, what happen, every time for 5 times when I run this loop, every time it will ask for a name, whatever name I will provide, that will be stored in name, and finally it will be written into the file. Okay, and then let me close the file dot close. Sorry, the file object name is file1. Okay, so new student.txt. Okay, let me run this again. I'm asking for inside a loop, I'm asking 5 times name of a student, and every time I got the name, I'm writing the name into the file. Okay, and then finally closing the file. And student.txt, so this file is not there here, so automatically a new file should be created. Let us run and see. Okay, it is asking me a name. Let me give some names. Amit, suppose Arun, suppose Sahid, suppose another name, any other, Nikhil, Rahman, something, some 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, loop is over and the program is ended. Now let us see if a file is created. Student.txt, the same name that we have given, a file is created, and if we open, we will see all 5 names. See, all the 5 names are there, but Amit, then Arun, and then Sahid, then Nikhil, everything is there, but there is no space in between. Okay, now suppose change the program slightly to make it look better. After every writing, when I am going to write the name, after writing the name, let me write file1.txt, file1.write. Let me write a new line character every time after one name is written. So one name, then new line character. So all the names will be written in new lines now. Again I am going to execute. So what happened? The previous data is going to be deleted to make space for the new data. So let us run this. Again I need to enter. Okay, now let us see this file student.txt. Previous data must be overwritten. See, now we are having all 5 names in new lines character. Okay, now see, the previous thing that we have written, all the names in the single lines is now deleted, overwritten by the new thing that we have written. Okay, so this is how writing into a file works. I hope you understood this. Now we will try and see reading a file, appending something into a file. Okay, now the main difference between writing and appending is this: when you write something, the previous data will be deleted, okay, overwritten by the new data. But when you append something into a existing file, then what happen? The new data that we are appending now will be added along with the data which is already there, so no data is going to be overwritten. Okay, now let us see. A file opened in append mode retains its previous data while allowing you to add new data into the file. That means the previous data will be there, that will be retained, plus the new data will be added. Getting? Unlike the write case, in write case previous data is overwritten by the new data, but in this case if you append some new data into the file, then we will get previous data plus the new data, both will be there. Okay, and the modes that we are going to use, access mode for appending into a text file will be A, and access mode for appending into a binary file is AB. Of course, B for binary, and A plus is for append and read both, and AB or AB plus for append and read both for binary file. Okay, let us execute some programs on this. Okay, now suppose, now let us do the file that we have just created, na, student.txt. Now suppose in this student.txt file I want to add one more name. Suppose by mistake I have forgotten one name. Now I want to add one more name into the file. We are having already 5 names. Suppose I want to add name of a new student into the same file. Is it possible using write mode? Think. Yes, it is not possible, because whenever we are going to use write mode, then while writing the 6th name, all these previous 5 names will be deleted and only the sixth name will retain, that will be a problem. So in this kind of situation, it is very useful to use a append mode. Use the append mode. Now let us do the same thing. Okay, now I'm opening the same file, file1 open as my and here instead of w I will write a. You know a means append mode. Okay, now the sixth name I want to add. Okay, suppose new name, I want to add a new name, some variable that I'm using. New name is I want to add, suppose Nikita, this new name into the file. Okay, then what happen? Now here we don't have any specialized function append like we are having for reading function, writing function. In read we are having read line, read lines. For writing we are having write lines. But in case of append, we will use the same write function only, and the syntax will be same. So file dot write, what I want to write, I want to write this new name, this variable new name into the file, and then finally close the file, file1 dot close. Okay, now see, no specialized function for appending, the same write function we are using. But the thing is, because we have opened the file in a mode or append mode, this while writing this new name Nikita, all previous names will be preserved. Along with all this 5 name, a new name will be added. Getting? So we are not going to overwrite anything. Okay, now let me, before writing again, to write that thing into a new line, let me do the same thing, file1 dot write. Let me add a new line character so that this thing will be written in a new line only, file1, sorry. Okay, now let us run this. So after running, this new name should be added to the file. Instead of deleting previous contents, all 5 contents, it should be added here at the end. Okay, let us run this. Okay, there are no errors. We have to check the file. The new name that I have added is, what is the name? Nikita. Okay, let us go and see. Amit, Sahid, Priya, Nikita. Okay, because there is already a new line character, that's why it becomes two new line character. So there was no need to add a new line character. Okay, previously in the previous program already I have added after each name a new line character. So here again I have added. That's why we are getting 2 spaces. But see, this new name is added here. We have not overwritten anything. Previous content is retained plus the new data is added. Okay, this is the benefit of using the append mode. Okay, so up to now we have seen how to open a file, how to read something from a file, how to write something into a file, and how to append data into the file, and we have seen the differences of all the modes. Okay, in the next video we are going to see some programs that will demonstrate the use of all 3 modes in very different ways. We'll see some programs to demonstrate the use of all this in more and more details. Okay, thank you.